What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, you already know. If it is, push the subscribe button. If it isn't, welcome back. Thank you for your support. Okay? So today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am going to be making a dessert. Okay? This dessert, I probably made it for you guys before, but different ingredients, different flavor. So let me show you how to make a cheesecake, 3-layer cheesecake. Okay, so I'm going to grab all the ingredients so we can get started on making this tasty, healthy cheesecake. So today I have in my, what is this called? A faja. The faja. Do you know what a faja does? A faja. The faja snatches the waist and it sucks in the stomach, okay? So I have that one today because I'm training my stomach to stay in. It's not needed, but it helps sometimes with making you hold yourself together. So this is great for women, ladies, who have a pouch and want to put on that slinky dress with your pouch is showing. Get yourself a faja. It's called a compression garment. So it compresses you. And this is also good to wear when you're working out. Okay? You'll sweat and some of the fat will come off. Will slide off. Okay? So let's get back to cooking. Let me show you the ingredients that you will need to make your cheesecake, 3-layer cheesecake. The screen sort of looks dark to me, but let's keep it moving. But fellas, you can get yourself a compression garment as well. Don't think I'm only talking to the ladies, because some of you men are pregnant too. So get you one to pull you in so you look nice. Your clothes drop nicely on you, okay? No shade, but you need it too. Okay, so let's go. For the crust, we're gonna use some graham crackers. We're going to use some vegan butter, and we're going to use some dates, okay? That's the crust. Then we're going to make the cheesecake filling. So we're going to use some almond yogurt, original, plain. We're going to use some cream cheese, vegan cream cheese. True Whip, Cool Whip, which is vegan Cool Whip, okay? We're going to use some coconut condensed milk, and the topping will be raspberries, and we're going to use some agave for the top. Okay, so there you have it, everything you need. So let's get started on making this tasty cheesecake. Okay, so first take your graham crackers, put them in your food processor. I'm going to use, I'm not making that much. Break them up. Throw in dates. Are these pitted or they have pits in it? I think they have pits in them, so you have to remove those. So remove your pit. This is the pit. The date, remove it, throw it in. Use about 6. Pit, D. Dates taste like caramel, okay? Natural caramel, not the garbage you buy in the stores, not the processed caramel, okay? That's 3. Okay, the butter. I melted my butter. So I'm going to pour it in. Gotta melt your butter. Pour it in your food processor. And I'm using vegan butter. A healthier choice would be coconut oil. I have that too. I should have went with that, but hey, I'm here already. Okay. Now let's put this on the food processor to crush it all up. Okay, so here's your crust. just tasted it. Tastes delicious. There's butter, dates, and graham cracker. That's the crust. I'm gonna put it in my ramekin, which I lined with parchment paper so I can easily remove it from the ramekin and place it in a plate. So you put your crust at the bottom, right? Then you want to flatten everything out on the bottom. Let me get a spoon and make it easier. Spoon. Let's get a spoon. Let's make life a bit easier here. Yes. Then flatten it out at the bottom. That's the crust on the bottom. Next step. Let's put these to the side. Maybe I'll put them in the refrigerator while I do step by step. Refrigerator, there you go. Okay, so here we are at step 2, which is cream cheese, condensed coconut milk, True Whip, and sorry, I added lemon, okay, to give it that refreshing taste, okay? Didn't do the yogurt. I'm just gonna go with these 3 ingredients right here. Is that 3? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna whip it up, and then we're gonna add it to the crust. Now let me see. What is this? Okay. Add a half a tablespoon of cornstarch. It will thicken the mixture. Mix it all together so it keeps up, right? Next step is to clean your berries. I soak mine in baking soda and rinse them with spring water. Use them a little bit. Put them in a pot. You're gonna add some agave to them. Put them on a low heat and then smash it up. Now I don't have much agave, but you're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, now let's take this over to a low heat and just smash till you get a preservative. Okay, we're making jelly, not jam, jelly. Okay, so you add your cheesecake mix on top of your crust, then you add your raspberry on top of the cheesecake. Simple. I skipped this couple of steps, but okay, I'm sure you got it. I chilled it. After I layered it, I put it in the freezer, which I shouldn't have did. I should have just put it in the refrigerator. It's right now. It's thawing out. It's the frosting. So there you have it. Now let's go ahead and taste it. Okay, you have it.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
This is delicious. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Okay, thank you guys for watching my Veganlicious channel. Down in the description box, there's information on how to purchase my Veganlicious ebook, how to order from my chef.com page, chef with an S, or Cash App me for matcha. So, subscribe also. You already know, enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day, enjoy life. Ilubo. I'm eating dates. Make sure you have dates in your house. They're great for iron, great for so many things. Amazing benefits. Buy dates.